Dude, it's insane. So actually, you just can see it. Hopefully you can see it on the camera, but we have to get to that hills over there. We have to drive, oh it's loud, through a city and get a lot of hills up, and in my opinion this is the worst city for truck drivers. And you notice that we get a lot of trips through that city in the past and in the future, sadly. You have a lot of one-way streets, you had a lot of wrong parked cars, and you have a lot of hills. And of course, most of the streets are closed for trucks. So we have like 6 kilometers left and 13 minutes on the clock. Oh, he's waiting. Thanks, buddy. Yep. So the weather in Germany is pretty crazy. We have like 5 degrees below zero all the time, but the sun is totally flashing me, so get the temperature to 27 degrees and got my sunglasses on. Yeah, they are building a new tennis court and they need stones for the parking slots, so it's pretty tricky to get your truck into there, and if you don't have like steering access like my trailer has, you have no chance to get in there. And if they are wrong parked cars, of course. It's a nice car. So I will just cut out the boring parts. So, not sure if the camera motions this, but you see these end of the trees right up there. We just have to get into that, and normally we just can go straight forward up to that hill, but streets are closed for trucks, so we have to get all around that and climb it by another way. It's like, I don't know, this town is just built into hills. It's insane. Begins. It's just full throttle all the time. You can't get faster on these hills. The sun is insane. Yeah, hopefully there are no trucks coming down. Doesn't look like. nice house. So we are just there, it's just 1.5 kilometers left. And if you never get into truck driving and you're just a car driver and you are asking why trucks are drive so slow, it's like we can't go faster. We are fully loaded with 40 tons, well, in Germany most of the times, and we can't get up that hill faster than, now it's 40 kilometers per hour. It's like full throttle, I can't go faster. So just be chill and stop horning. Okay, we are just there and now it's getting funny. Please no wrong park cars. Oh, it looks great. Nice. Okay, one-way street, closed for trucks. Same shit every day. So, and if you're wondering, there is a street going to the left. We have to get into that. And we really need a lot of space. We have to get into that street. Oh, that's close. Okay. Okay, dude, it's insane. Actually, I have to go to the right, but I can't see shit. So I'm just driving backwards and get out the other way. Okay, that's it for today, I guess. Well, if you want to see the drive back to my company, you can just watch out another video I uploaded. So do me a favor, help the channel out, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.